walking through how to tile a shower. I'm using 12 by 24, so 1 by 2 foot tiles. These are considered large format tiles, so you need to use special adhesive mortar mix thin sets. I'm doing a 4-inch offset, so basically every time I move up a tile, I just have the new grout line be 4 inches to the right of that. I'm gonna back butter this tile. That just means I'm gonna take some thin sets. I like using a 4-inch blade just so I can get more of the stuff out in here, and then I push it onto my 12-inch trowel right here, and then I push that onto that guy. Just like back buttering, you back butter your backer board. In my case, I'm using Go board. Then you go through with the trowel side. I'm using 1/4 by 3/8. Now that we've got sufficient buildup on here, I'm just gonna pull the trowel up on that guy to get these little ridges that you see right there. I wet my hand, so I like wearing gloves. Dip your hand in some water, you pull it through. I'll show you guys what that looks like. Then I put in these little wedge caps, or whatever you want to call them. They basically sit in and they force your tiles to be a lot smoother than if you didn't have these things. And they also create a 1/8 inch gap between them. Make sure all your trowel lines are parallel to each other. So in my case, I'm just going to keep going vertically. Last tile.